Hey, Mrs. Hardy, thanks for considering doing this workshop for all your teachers. I think it will really help them become um, better teachers and help their learners to get more out of the experience. So, I'd like to start out with one of the most important skills I think we can all agree in the 21st century and always is communication. Our students will need to learn how to communicate through emails, as well as verbal and written communication. And they also must learn how to create videos and screencasts and really communicate their thoughts visually. So I think that will be pretty important to go over with our teachers. Also, collaboration is very important. As we know, many of the top companies have their employees work in teams. And so this is a very important part of becoming a professional, which is what many of our students want to do. So we really need to set them up for success by teaching them about collaboration. Another thing that many companies look for is critical thinking. Our learners will need to be able to analyze situations and solve problems. So I'd really like to go over that skill because I think sometimes that gets neglected in our learning because we just kind of like to have our students memorize things, but we really need to help them understand that they need to think critically and that that will really help them in the future. Another thing, a skill that's very necessary is creativity. Creativity is becoming increasingly important because it's an ability that cannot be mechanized. It's something that we have to have real people to do. So we need to set up our students for success by teaching them how to use the skill of creativity and how to engineer solutions for their futures, not just in like their jobs, but in their lives. Another really, really important skill in the 21st century is ethics and accountability. In this age, it's really easy to, put up something on social media that isn't really that doesn't really reflect you as you would like to be seen. But that can often be a roadblock for students. So we need to teach them how to effectively use their social media, how to become people of integrity, and how to really be accountable for their mistakes. That's something that's necessary for everyone, but is especially necessary in the 21st century. So, Mrs. Hardy, that's my idea. Thank you for considering doing this workshop.